Hello everyone, today we want to solve a nice question of algebra. Let's solve it. If we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 7 and x to the 3 power plus y to the 3 power is equal to 10, we want to find x plus y, and we know that x and y are real numbers. For the first step, I can write x squared plus y squared as x plus y squared minus 2xy, and I can x to the 3 power plus y to the 3 power as x plus y to the 3 power minus 3xy times x plus y. Now I want to use a substitution for our equation, and it means I can write x plus y as b and xy as a. And now the first equation will be equal b squared minus 2a is equal to 7. Why? Because x plus y was equal to b, and we have b squared minus 2 times xy, and xy was a. That was equal to 7. For the second equation, I can write it as x plus y as b. So it means I can write b to the 3 power minus 3 times xy, that was equal a, and x plus y, that was equal b, minus 3ab and equal 10. And if you look at the first equation, you can write a as b squared minus 7 over 2. But what should we do right now? We should put b squared minus 7 over 2 instead of a in the second equation, and it means I can write our second equation as b to the 3 power minus 3 times a, that was equal to b squared minus 7 over 2 times b, and that's equal 10. And if I write this equation in a simple way, I can write as b to the 3 power minus 21b plus 20, that's equal to 0. So for continue, right? So if I add b to the 2 power or b squared and minus b squared, they cancel and they equal 0. So I can do that. Why? Because I want to factor b squared and write our equation as b squared times b minus 1, and the second sentence is as b minus 1 times b minus 20, and that's equal 0. And now again I want to factor b minus 1, so I can write our equation as b minus 1 times b squared plus b squared plus b minus 20, that's equal 0. And I can write b squared plus b minus 20 as b minus 4 times b plus 5. Why? Because b minus 4 times b plus 5 is equal b squared plus b minus 20, and that's equal 0. And it means we have three solutions. They are 1, 4, and minus 5. But we have to check them. Why? Because x and y are real numbers. So let's check them. If I put b is equal 1, and you put 1 in this equation, the a will be equal 1 minus 7, that's equal minus 6 over 2, that's equal minus 3. So it means x plus y is equal 1 and xy is minus 3. And now I can write y as minus 3 over x, and I put minus 3 over x instead of y in the first equation and write x minus 3 over x is equal 1. And the final equation will be equal x squared minus x minus 3, that's equal 0. And it means it has a real solution, and x is a real solution, x is a real solution, and it means that's one of our answers. So for the second time, I want to put b is equal 4, and if you put b is equal 4 and put it in this equation, you can write 16 minus 7, that's equal 9 over 2, that's equal 4.5, and it means a is equal 4.5. So x plus y is equal 4 and xy is equal 4.5. That is the same way to write this equation as the first time. So the final equation will be equal x squared minus 4x plus 4.5. that's equal 0. But you know that this equation doesn't have real roots, and it means that's not a correct answer. And for the third one, the b was equal -5, so put -5 in this equation again. You got 25 minus 7 over 2, that's equal 9, and it means x plus y is -5, xy is 9, and I do the same thing in the first time and the second time, so x plus 9 over x is equal -5. And if I write it in a better way, I can write this equation as x squared plus 5x plus 9, that's equal 0. But you know that this equation doesn't have real roots, so it means that's not a correct answer, and the one correct answer is equal b is equal +1, and it means x plus y is equal +1. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you, have a good day.